Hi friends, Alex Begum here with the Begum Law Group. A lot of folks ask us, if I start a claim as a result of a car accident or some type of claim regarding an injury, how long is the process going to take? And that really is kind of a complicated question because it really depends on the claimant. It depends on the client. There's some people that get better after a few months of treatment and their injuries heal. And at that point, we can gather all the medical bills and all the medical records and submit them to the insurance company in order to evaluate the claim. Other folks, their treatment requires a year, year and a half sometimes for them to fully heal. Some people have to go through multiple surgeries. Some people have to go through lots of other types of treatment. And so really the timetable for when to resolve a claim really depends on the client and how quickly they recover from their injuries to as best as possible a pre-injury status. And then there's really two categories that go from there, and that is where people can settle the case before a lawsuit is filed. Usually those claims get resolved a little bit quicker. And then there are those cases where the insurance company is not offering something reasonable. And in those particular circumstances, a lawsuit is required, and undoubtedly a lawsuit requires more time to resolve because we have to go through the judicial process. And basically, your case waits in line behind all the other cases that have been filed before yours in that particular courtroom. And so it's really difficult to give exact averages of how quickly cases resolve, but I would say that if it's a case that has an opportunity to resolve before filing a lawsuit, it's usually 3 to 4 months after your last day of treatment. And if it's a case that goes into litigation as a result of a low offer or unreasonable offer, or because they're saying that they're not at fault or denying liability, those cases can take anywhere between a year all the way up to sometimes even 2 years to resolve from the date that we filed the lawsuit.